Feeling overwhelmed? Take the plunge. Are you tired of feeling stressed and overwhelmed? Do you long for a simple, effective way to reclaim your calm? Imagine this: stepping into a cold shower and feeling your worries melt away within minutes. Sounds unbelievable? It's not. Cold Plunge Challenges are taking the world by storm, offering a quick and powerful way to combat stress and boost your well-being. Stress meltdown? We've all been there, the overwhelming feeling that everything is just too much to handle. Your heart races, your mind spins, and it feels like there's no escape. But what if I told you there's a simple, natural way to hit the reset button on your stress levels? Enter the cold plunge. Cold Plunge to the rescue. This age-old practice is gaining popularity for its incredible ability to combat stress and rejuvenate the mind and body. Cold plunge challenges involve immersing yourself in cold water, typically below 60 degrees Fahrenheit, for a short period, usually a few minutes. This might sound daunting, even unpleasant, but the benefits are remarkable. Imagine standing at the edge of a cold river, your breath visible in the crisp air. You hesitate, but then you take the plunge. The initial shock of the cold water sends a rush of adrenaline through your system. This adrenaline rush is your body's natural response to the sudden change in temperature. It triggers a physiological response that effectively combats the stress response. Your heart rate increases, and blood flow is directed to your vital organs. Think of it as hitting the reset button on your nervous system. The cold water immersion forces your body to adapt, promoting resilience and mental clarity. The initial shock of the cold water sends a rush of adrenaline through your system. But here's the key. As you stay in the cold water, your body activates the parasympathetic nervous system, responsible for the rest and digest response. This system counteracts the stress hormones, leaving you feeling calm, alert, and refreshed. The longer you stay in, the more your body adapts, and the more profound the benefits become. Emerging from the cold water, you feel a sense of accomplishment and invigoration. Your mind is clearer, your body feels lighter, and the stress that once weighed you down seems to have melted away. Cold plunges are not just a trend, they're a powerful tool for managing stress and enhancing overall well-being. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed, consider taking the plunge. The science of stress reduction: how cold plunges work. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. These hormones trigger the fight or flight response, increasing your heart rate, blood pressure, and breathing. While this response is helpful in dangerous situations, chronic stress keeps your body in a constant state of alert, leading to anxiety, fatigue, and other health problems. Stress is a natural part of life, but when it becomes chronic, it can wreak havoc on your body and mind. The constant release of stress hormones can lead to a variety of health issues, including heart disease, digestive problems, and a weakened immune system. It's essential to find effective ways to manage stress and restore balance to your body. One powerful method for combating stress is cold water immersion, also known as cold plunging. This practice involves immersing yourself in cold water for a short period, typically ranging from a few seconds to several minutes. The sudden exposure to cold water can have a profound impact on your body and mind. When you first enter the cold water, your body experiences a shock, and your heart rate and breathing may increase. However, as you continue to immerse yourself, your body begins to adapt. The cold water stimulates your vagus nerve, which helps to activate your parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Cold water immersion disrupts the cycle of chronic stress in several ways. First, it reduces inflammation throughout the body. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can contribute to stress and disease. Cold temperatures help to reduce this inflammation, promoting overall health and well-being. Second, cold exposure boosts mood-regulating hormones. When you immerse yourself in cold water, your body increases the production of endorphins and norepinephrine. These natural mood boosters promote feelings of well-being and focus, helping to counteract the negative effects of stress. Third, cold plunges can improve sleep quality. Good sleep is essential for managing stress and maintaining overall health. Cold water immersion helps to regulate your circadian rhythm and promote relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. In addition to these benefits, cold plunges can also enhance your mental resilience. The practice of willingly exposing yourself to cold water can help you build mental toughness and increase your ability to handle stress in other areas of your life. By regularly practicing cold water immersion, you can train your mind and body to better cope with stress and adversity. It's important to approach cold water immersion with caution, especially if you're new to the practice. Start with shorter durations and gradually increase the time you spend in the cold water. Always listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any underlying health conditions. In conclusion, cold plunges offer a powerful and natural way to reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance overall health. By incorporating this practice into your routine, you can experience the many benefits of cold water immersion and take a proactive approach to managing stress and promoting well-being. So, the next time you feel overwhelmed by stress, consider taking a cold plunge. It might just be the refreshing reset your body and mind need to restore balance and vitality. Remember, the key to reaping the benefits of cold water immersion is consistency. Make it a regular part of your wellness routine, and you'll likely find yourself feeling more resilient, focused, and at peace. Cold plunges can enhance sleep quality by regulating your circadian rhythm and promoting relaxation. Embrace the cold, and let it transform your stress into strength. Real people, real results, cold plunge testimonials. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from those who have taken the plunge and experienced life-changing benefits firsthand. People from all walks of life are experiencing the transformative power of cold plunge challenges. Whether you're young or old, an athlete or a busy professional, the benefits are universal. I used to be skeptical about cold plunges, but I was desperate for a solution to my constant stress, shares Sarah, a busy entrepreneur. She found herself overwhelmed with the demands of her job and personal life, constantly feeling on edge. Now, I start my day with a quick cold shower, and it's a game changer. The cold water invigorates me, wakes me up, and sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. I feel more energized, focused, and better equipped to handle whatever the day throws at me. It's like a reset button for my mind and body, helping me stay sharp and productive. John, a retired teacher, uses cold plunges to manage his anxiety. After years of struggling with anxious thoughts and sleepless nights, he decided to give cold plunges a try. I've struggled with anxiety for years, but since incorporating cold plunges into my routine, I've noticed a significant reduction in my anxiety levels. The cold water helps me feel grounded and present, washing away my worries. I feel calmer, more in control, and I'm sleeping better than ever. The cold plunges have become a vital part of my daily routine, giving me a sense of peace and well-being that I hadn't felt in years. It's not just about the physical benefits. Cold plunges have also brought people together, creating a sense of community and shared experience. Friends and families are bonding over their new routines, finding joy in the challenge and support in each other. Athletes like Mark have also seen incredible improvements. As a competitive runner, Mark was always looking for ways to enhance his performance and recovery. Cold plunges have become an essential part of his training regimen. Since I started incorporating cold plunges, my recovery time has decreased, and my performance has improved. I feel stronger, faster, and more resilient. It's like giving my muscles a fresh start after every intense workout. These testimonials are just a glimpse into the transformative power of cold plunges. Whether you're seeking stress relief, better sleep, improved performance, or a sense of community, cold plunges offer something for everyone. Join the movement and experience the benefits for yourself. One of the most appealing aspects of cold plunge challenges is the immediacy of the benefits. You don't have to wait weeks or months to experience the positive effects. Within minutes of taking the plunge, you'll likely notice reduced stress and anxiety, increased alertness and focus, and improved mood. The cold water triggers the release of endorphins, natural mood boosters that promote feelings of calmness and well-being. The cold shock jolts your system, leaving you feeling more alert and focused. Cold plunges can effectively combat stress-induced mood swings, leaving you feeling happier and more positive. While the mental benefits of cold plunge challenges are significant, the physical perks are equally impressive. Regular cold water immersion can boost your immune system, improve circulation, and reduce muscle soreness. Cold exposure strengthens your body's natural defenses, making you less susceptible to illness. The cold temperature constricts blood vessels, followed by dilation as your body warms up. This process improves circulation and can even lower blood pressure. Cold water immersion can help alleviate muscle soreness and inflammation after exercise, promoting faster recovery. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become an unwelcome companion for many, but it doesn't have to rule your life. Cold plunge challenges offer a simple, accessible, and scientifically backed way to combat stress, improve your well-being, and reclaim your inner calm. Are you ready to take the plunge? Share your cold plunge experiences and inspire others to embrace the power of cold water immersion. Let's spread the word and help everyone experience the transformative benefits of this incredible practice.